In this video, I will show you how to change the default search engine in Firefox so you can set it to the one you prefer and make your browsing experience faster and more personal. Now to get started, what you want to do is open up Firefox on your PC or laptop, and once you've done that, you want to come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three lines which says Open Application Menu. From here, you want to scroll down into the settings and then give that a click. Now once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and you're going to see an option for search. Give this a click, this is going to take you to your search settings. Now you can see by default my search engine is set to Google. Just simply click onto the drop down box and you can choose your search engine from the list of available search engines. So for example, if we wanted to change to DuckDuckGo, I would click here to select it, and that's going to change my default search engine. So when I open up a new tab, you can see next to the address bar on the left hand side, we now have DuckDuckGo, and it says search with DuckDuckGo, or of course enter the address. So that's how to change Firefox default search engine. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.